Okay. Ah! It's loud. Hello, awesome bros. My Play Gamer here, and welcome back to Five Nights Before Freddy's. Jeez, why is that so loud? Now, you may be noticing something. You may notice that if you go to no, I'm not. That we're on night 4. We should be on night 3. No, it didn't glitch and skip me to night 4. I recorded myself playing night 3, and then it didn't save. The recording crashed and was corrupted, and half of it was gone. I beat night 4. That's what happened. And I haven't played this in a while, so I'm probably gonna not be as good as I used to be. Not saying I was good. So. Okay. Fling, fling. Wow, Bonnie.
G'day, mate.
G'day!
Listen, everything I said last night was balderdash. It's just a theory. It just makes so much sense to me, but what's more logical is that they have a buggy night mode. Just don't mention any of this to management in your report. You'll probably be fired. Same with me if you mention that I said it. Look, I won't hold you anymore. Just drop everything I said and get this night out of the road. Last day tomorrow, and you can choose whether you're done or you're with me. Good night.
Wait, replace him? Are we playing as Mike? Like Mike Schmidt? That doesn't make sense. No way. I don't. Are we? Are we? Freddy! Wait, where's Freddy? Freddy isn't here! Freddy! Ah! Okay, sorry, I got scared again. That was apparently, I've been looking into this game, that is apparently Shadow Freddy. Apparently Shadow Freddy is a part of this. Here we go. Yeah, dude. Totally Tibbler, dude. Dude, that's like totally Tibbler. Damn, Chica, you totally Tibbler, dude. You're like very Tibbler, dude. Dude, you're Tibbler. Dude. Oh boy, here it comes. I think. No. Shit. Oh boy! Okay. Hey Freddy. Honka. Honka honka. Damn, Bonnie looking fine tonight. I'm joking, Bonnie's a guy. I am pansexual, but I do not date animatronics. It's the only race I hate. They're always trying to stuff me in a Freddy Frozbear suit. That is the right word for it, Freddy Frozbear. That's his real name. Is Freddy Frozbear. I guess, I don't know. And if I roll right through this, then maybe I'll tackle Night 5. But I'm expecting Night 5 to be obscenely difficult. I got that spot on! Okay, are we gonna get all 3? What if you turn the power back on after they walk through? Like, do they kill you? I'm assuming they kill you. That's a dumb question. The answer is probably yes. Yeah, sometimes you just gotta let the power off for a bit to save battery. 3 a.m. I actually don't know if I actually don't know if I'm gonna... Oh, it didn't let you turn the thing back on. I pressed it too soon, but it didn't let me do anything, so... Gonna turn it off just a few sec. Excuse me. Yeah, what is that banging? We've been hearing that throughout the game, but I don't know what that is. Oh God! Ah! Oh boy! Fuck off, Freddy. I don't think Chica's here. No, Chica's not here. But I'm gonna wait until 4 a.m. Oh well. I'm gonna wait until Chica comes. Chica? Chica, you shooting someone over there? It's important to save battery at this time because it's not even 5 a.m. and I have 18%. Where is 5 a.m.? Chica? Chica, like, not coming? I mean, she's in the hallway, but she's been there for, like, over a minute now. Bonnie has come like 3 times, Chica! Where are you? I'm starting to think the game's bugging. Starting to get a sneaking suspicion that the game's hard. Okay, that's it. I'm done. I'm done with Foxy. Foxy is over. There's no way he can kill him. I'm just gonna stay here forever. Because I should be okay. Unless each hour is like 2 minutes, I should be okay. Oh, hey, Chico's just here. This is eerie. I'm scared. I'm scared.
Da-da-dum-dum-dum.
Ooh. Da-da-dum-dum-dum. Ah! Oh God, that scared me. I thought I was about to die. I thought I was about to die. Yay! I've successfully avoided death one more time. Oh boy. You don't need to use lights at all, really. Listen for footsteps. Okay. Oh wow, Bonnie's already moving. Oh man, my leg! Oh. You animatronics know how to do leg massage? 'Cause I don't! It's hurting! Okay.
G'day, mate.
Hey.
Last night, thank Christ, The animatronics will be more active tonight. Probably even worse tomorrow with the opening of the restaurant. But yeah, you probably won't have to worry about that. It's only your decision. Because I've been talking to management and they have considered you for a position with us after the grand opening as a night guard. But there are thunderstorms to be expected, so you could be working another day here, maybe 2. We will get in contact with you tomorrow morning if that's the case, but anyway, finish up your last night and contact us tomorrow morning, whether if you'd like to stay with us or not. So, if you do decide to stick around, I could imagine there's only one reason why you would, is to do something about these animatronics, do something about the children. If you do, I am eternally grateful if you decide to stick around and help me out here, because all I'm trying to do is stop these kids from murdering these helpless people, and I don't know how I'm gonna help them out, but I will figure it out. But look, I will talk to you again tomorrow night, mate. I'll let you get to work now because the animatronics are going to be very active. So just keep on top of all of them. Good night, mate.
Oh, fuck it! Okay, cool. He wants to help the children. Cool. Oh, yeah. Not exactly the models from FNAF 1, but I'm letting that slide. Hey, Chica. Oh, not Chica? Okay. Is Chica just gonna be a bitch? Is Chica just gonna wait until I'm off guard to just come skedaddling on down? I'm assuming. That's how Chica always works, even in FNAF 1. There was like one time, she waited the entire night in one single hallway and then finally, like at 3 a.m., decided to pop up. Flash. I'm guessing there's some kind of system. I think this is a good strategy. I'm pretty sure. Okay. Dum-da-dum-dum-dum-da-dum-dum. You are da-da-dum-dum-dum-da-dum-dum, Foxy. That's what you are. There he is. 2 a.m. Oh, and my leg! I don't know why, but my leg's just been really hurting lately. I don't think it's a cramp. But I don't know. Jesus, so much power! I don't know, it just starts hurting for no reason. I don't know why. Ugh, maybe I should start taking walks. I'm gonna wait until about 3 a.m. and then I'm gonna check on Foxy. There's Foxy. That's weird. In every FNAF game, I try to have at least 50% power at 3 a.m. I try. But you never know with these things. So hard to tell. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Well, there's Chica. I think Bonnie's always been more active than Chica, I'm pretty sure. Fire. Hey, hey! Hoi, 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 hoi. Oh, hey, okay, Fox. Hey, Bonnie and Freddy. Wanna kill me? That would be great. Want a Sprite Cranberry? No. Alright, I'm doing good. 40% power at 4 a.m. I'm doing pretty good. I think I might roll right through night 5. If that could happen, it'll be good. Maybe. I'm not. I'm really not. Just something's gonna happen. I can feel this. Something's gonna happen. I'm gonna use too much power, and then I'm gonna die. In that exact order. Hey. Ah! Oh, all three! Oh, all three! I have a feeling that's a very rare combination. I mean, it's not worth celebrating, but... Also, I'm gonna be playing more Ultimate Custom Night soon. I just feel like I played too much and I need a break from that stressful game. 7,000 mode. Oh my god, that took so long. Like, it was just a matter of knowing when to do stuff and knowing who was active when. That was basically all it was. But yeah, it's all it was basically. There were only, like, I think Withered Chica and the Mediocre Melodies were the only ones that I actually need the camera for, and I only used it once. So they were no problem. It was just Ballora, the Nightmares, and people like that that were actually a real threat to me. But, it's not that hard once you get used to it. Freddy, you gonna come for me? I would highly not appreciate that. Well, it's still recording, right? Sorry, I just have to check sometimes. Ooh. Is it just gonna end with Freddy staring into my soul? Yep, I called it. Okay. Alright, I'm assuming there's a 6th night. Just assuming. Attention staff! The great reopening has been postponed due to heavy rain, meaning we can continue testing the animatronic characters. The ceremony will commence on the 7th. Thanks, management. Clyde Sampson. $80. $80?! Clyde, we need you for another 2 days to continue observing the characters. I'll explain a few things tomorrow night. You will also receive overtime. Cheers. All that for $80. Hell no, I ain't doing this. Yep, okay, well, hey, we got a star. Hey, how's that? Is it? Ooh, I knew it! Still recording, right? I saw the 5 change. Alright! The 5 changes to 6! No, not the 5 on the continue. Look! My webcam's covering it, but the 5 above nights changes to 6. So cool. I'll try it once. I'll try it night 6 once. Foxy slowly waits to change phases. Prevent this by Okay, yeah, I know. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Ding dong, ding dong. Hello? Whoever you are, I forgot his name.
So, your name is Clyde. Well, nice to meet you, to a degree. So you're back here for another 2 nights. The animatronics are going to be very aggressive. But you well and truly know the routine, just be more cautious. I don't have much else to say other than that I am pleased that you have decided to work with us at Freddy's Pizza. I know you believe me about the children. I know you want to help them, just like I do. I don't know what we had to do about it, but we can figure something out. Now, I did notice you left a report with management saying the animatronics seemed cursed and that I mentioned it to you. That was stupid, mate. Management take these things very seriously. They don't take any of these jokes. But I am the stupid one. I actually tried pushing it onto management and they have threatened to fire me. Okay, so... hang on, I'm getting a call. 1 second, mate.
Ah! Okay, I'm sorry, I got scared.
You just got me fired. Thanks, Clyde. You have really screwed me up here. I hope those damn things get you tonight. I hope you're dead by the morning.
Oh. Sorry! Sorry, mate. I didn't mean to screw your life over. Oh, shit. Oh. Whoops! I made an oopsie doopsie. Oh, I just got my friend fired. It's so sad. Oh, man. Okay. What? What? Oh, she was gone! Oh boy. Here we go. Nice. The sounds of death surround me. Alright. I think that's it for now. I love this. This is a great series. Yeah. I love this. This is a great series. It's great. It's awesome. Let me click it. Trying to... Okay, there. Alright. So, this is cool. It's a cool fan game. It's not as high quality, but it's awesome. It's got actual lore, and that's what I always look for in FNAF fan games. It's not about the quality, it's about the lore. That's what I love in FNAF games. So, good job whoever made this. 39 games. Good job making this. And thanks you guys for watching. And I guess I'll see you guys next one. Bye!